This video want to teach you how to create ChatGPT account and use it. Before we start this video, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification on, and on our Facebook page also follow us and like all our videos and share it in Olusegun Mass Clinic. This is the name of this channel and this page, Olusegun Mass Clinic, where we are given and educative tips and solving mathematics and science courses. So, but today, where we are going to is how to create ChatGPT account and use it. And this video will teach you step by steps in how to do this. Now, what is the first step in creating account in ChatGPT? So, if you are using an Android phone, you might go to your icon and search for Chrome or a Google app. So, either of the two, when you pick any of these, Chrome or Google app. So you go to their search button, you search for ChatGPT, or you type www.openai.com. So any of these two, you search for it. So when you now search for ChatGPT, it will bring up a sign up ChatGPT. So it is either you search for sign up ChatGPT or you search for ChatGPT alone. So when you click ChatGPT, it will prompt you to sign up to ChatGPT. So it is either you search for ChatGPT only or you search for sign up for ChatGPT. So after the two, you have able to done that. So it will now prompt when you will now see sign up ChatGPT. So that is why it will now prompt you to create your account. So in creating your account, there is something written there. It said, note that phone verification may be required for sign up. Your number will only be used to verify your identity for security purpose. So you now say you should type your email address and continue. But it is advisable not to use the first step because some people might not even know their password again, or being a long time to get their password. So what it is advisable to do at export is you see or continue with Google. When you might have registered your email in your Google account in your phone, so you continue with Google. So when you continue with Google, so it will just prompt you to the all accounts on your phone. You will see my account, Mike Bruns Consulting. That is my company name, and that is my account. So you see the real Mike at Gmail. So I click the first account. So when I've clicked the first account, because I've registered the account and it's a verified Gmail, so what it's going to do at export is that it will now prompt you to another page that said, tell us about you. It has now bring my names, because I have these names that it brought because it has already registered in the Google. So that is the name I use to register in the Google. So we bring it Olusegun Adelekun. So we now say you should now type your birthday. So you click the birthday icon. So when you click it, it will surely prompt you to when you click it, it will now prompt you to where you are going to type the birthday, your date of birth. It will give you how you are. The one is a month, the second one is the day, and the third one is the year. So after that, After it has, you are able to fill it to that extent. So it will now prompt you again. You will now click continue. It will now prompt you to another place that we said verify your phone number. Those are the two most important things that ChatGPT required. So you will now type your phone number. So at the where you now type your phone number, it is saying that you want to send a code. Send the code via XMS or send via WhatsApp instead. So either the anyone that you believe that you can use. So you click send. You now click the green button send code via SMS. So the moment he send the codes to you, you also see another prompt. He said, enter the code. Please, this is what is written there. Please enter the code we just sent you. So the moment you enter the code that they just sent you, it will just prompt you immediately to another page that write ChatGPT tips for getting started. Number one, ask anyway. ChatGPT can answer questions, help you learn, write code, brainstorm together, and much more. Number two, don't share sensitive information. Call history, chat history may be revived or used to improve our service. Learn more about your choice in our help center. So the third one, check your facts. While we have safeguard, ChatGPT may give you inaccurate information. It is not intended to give advice. So you now click OK, let's go. So the moment you now click OK, let's go, you now tell you, it will now give you open the real page where you are going to be working and where you're going to be searching for your uh for everything that you need. So you see this ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 3.5, it is free. ChatGPT 4 is a premium standard whereby you are going to where we are going to pay. But ChatGPT 3.5 will surely solve at least all the research that you need. So he said, write a course overview, psychology behind decision making, design a database schema for an online match store. So where you see send message, it is where you are going to be searching everything that you need. So my people, what I've able to have done now, I believe if you see that is helpful, share this video and trying to subscribe to our channel. So, and also don't forget you are watching this video at Olusegun Mass Clinic channel. So, and also it is good to help us to subscribe to the channel. So, thanks for watching this video.